Today we are going to look at how we can convert image to a PDF. So I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways. So first I'm going to open my Google Chrome. Now when you open your Google Chrome, you have to make sure you are signing with your Google account. So first we'll go to our Google Docs here, or you can just search for docs.google.com. You can just search for docs.google.com. So it takes you directly to your Google Docs. So what you are going to do, you are going to add a blank new document here. So now once you're in your blank new document, first of all, let me just reduce the size of let me just minimize my screen so you see what. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an image into this document. So two ways, I'll just click here, then we'll go to image, upload from the computer, or the easiest way is can just drag the image directly into the document. So if I go to my directory where I have the image, I have some image here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this image into the document. That is so easy. So now what we are going to do, I'm going to resize this image into the document. So first of all, for you to be able to freely move this image around, you have to wrap this image. But first of all, I want to crop this image a little bit because it's too long. So what I'll do is I'll just crop it a little bit here, depending on the size of your image. If you don't want to crop it, that's fine. So I'll just crop it. That's fine now. So you can resize the image however you want. Yeah. Now maybe I want the image to fill the whole page. So for you to make the image fill the whole page, you have to click on the image. Now you see these options here. If you hover on it, you have line, we have wrap, break text, and all of this. So I'm just going to click on wrap. So this image will be wrapped. Then I'll come here. There's option to move with text. So I'll click on this and switch to fixed position on the page. So that way I can be able to drag this image to the corner wherever I want. Then resize it to fill the whole page here. So this image is perfectly filled in the whole page. I can move it however I want. Once you are okay with however you want your image to be on the document, then you have the option now here. You come to file, you go to download, then you can see PDF document right here. So once you click on PDF, this will be downloaded directly as PDF for you. So if I come to my directory, I have my fully downloaded PDF with my image here. So you can send this image as PDF to wherever you want to send it to. So you can see this is a fully downloaded PDF for me. Now second option is we can use free online software. So you just have to search image to PDF. So you just say image to PDF converter. So once you search, there are a lot of websites that pops up. So one of the ones I love to use is I love PDF. So this is it. So I just click on this. Now it's telling you to select images. So I just click on this. It takes me to wherever I want to select the image. So I'm selecting this image. I open it. Now it's telling you to choose the size. What size do you want to change this image to? Right, by default is A4. So if you want it to US letter format, you can also do US letter format. Also fit sample page size, you can also choose fit sample page. So I'll just stick to A4. Then no margin, keep it there. Then I'll just convert to PDF. So it will convert. Once it's ready, you see this as download PDF. I'll just click on this. Then it has quickly downloaded this as PDF. So now I also have this image also convert to as PDF. But the difference with this is that you don't have option to resize the image the way you want. The app resize the image for you automatically. That's why I prefer this, because with this you are able to resize the image however you want on the page before you download it as PDF yourself. So that is the easiest and best way to change image to PDF. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe for another video like this. See you in another video.